Frank Hart, how I miss that man. Frank would ring up, or I would ring him at all hours of the night, if only to talk about a song or to share a verse. And one of the last phone calls I got from Frank was, he said, "Give us that one again, give us that one about the BeeswinG." I was 18 when I came to town. They call it the summer of love. Burning babies, burning flags, the hawks against the dove. I took a job at the steam and we're down on Cartlann Street, and I fell in love with the laundry girl working next to me. Brown hairs.
Bhí Christy Geary a stór amhrán I lig a hafad an seo sa stúdio tágain agus rinn siad hafad ar níosmó nach á chécht amhrán. Cumála sin thug sé réamhrán nó sunraí cabhast don an amhrán agus is rud speisialta sin nach bhfuil ar fáil áit be eile.
I lose my mind. Oh, she was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing. So fine a breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, so long as there's no price on love I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way.